So, guys, today I'm going to be talking about 60 Hz on Gorilla Tag. So, 60 Hz on Gorilla Tag can cause benefits and too much of non benefits. So, if you get 60 Hz on Gorilla Tag, you can stick in the walls like Spider Man. I cannot because I don't know what hertz I am. Yeah, I'm in 60 Hz. So, basically, I'm gonna enter a private lobby. Enter the private lobby. So people, let me put on casual because let me join it again. No, it doesn't make any difference. So I'm in 60 Hz right now. So I'm not pretty good at 60 Hz. I'm good at the casual Hertz on Gorilla Tag. So you can branch walls in 60 Hz, but can cause motion sickness. Yeah, it can cause motion sickness, which is the problem of many people. And I think I'm in 60 Hz right now. But I don't have motion sickness, I think. So, okay, let's start. I'm just pick a coconut. I don't know why. Okay. So, I'm gonna climb this wall in 60 Hz to see how good is it. I'm not good at Lucia running. So it's good. It's good. 60 Hz is good because you can climb walls and get stuck on the walls like Spider-Man. So this is pretty good. And you're playing or you're just playing on a competitive lobby. I'm not playing on a competitive lobby. It's so sad. Because I don't want to. And I'm not gonna be going on competitive lobby to show you guys. So 60 Hz can cause motion sickness, which is the problem. I told this before, but I don't care. So people who have motion sickness should be on normal hertz on Gorilla Tag because this can cause motion sickness, as I told you. I don't know why it causes motion sickness, but they told me on YouTube that it can cause motion sickness. I don't know why. Oh, look at the dog, the bug. Can go now. I'm gonna put you to fly, buddy. Okay. So, you are free now. So, okay. I'm on the update of Easter update. And I can fly on Dog the Bug, but it's not the point of the video. The point of the video, what I'm talking about, is 60 Hz good. So, I reached the point. 60 Hz is good, but not too good from people who has this motion sickness. And I know I'm repeating too many times. I'm just reminding you. And just reminding you to not get too long on 60 Hz because, okay, I'm not talking about it again because the video will be so annoying to me talking about every time this. So I'm bad at least you're running at 60 hertz. So it's good. If you are good on 60 hertz, go on 60 hertz. And I'm gonna film a video tomorrow how to get 60 hertz on Gorilla Tag. So okay, guys, I wish you appreciated the video. Hit the subscribe button. I'm just reminding you to see videos like this. So I hope you guys like the video, and bye.